So you can make almost any kind of creature that you want when you are using the pinch pot method. You can make small animals, large animals, animals that have 2 legs, 4 legs, 100 legs. It's completely up to you. You just have to plan it out a little bit. When you are making your pinch pot, it can go upside down. Okay, so the opening, we'll imagine the opening here is upside down. Very sturdy, because if you imagine this whole circle is holding it up, it's a very sturdy way to do it. And then you can add details. Okay, by just, painting them on or building them on. Your pinch pot also could go open side up. So if you think about the examples where the turtle head and legs and tail are coming off and you can put things in it, you can make creatures this way, and it's kind of functional, like you can use it as a container for something. Our ceramic glaze is food safe, so you could use it, like you could make one that could be a bowl or a cup. And you can also make your pinch pot go sideways, and so this would be like the shark. You can add teeth, you can add eyes up here. And then you can build the body onto that, so maybe I want to make like a alligator. Okay, that has a very big mouth. You also can cut down into that pinch pot so that it's open that way. So as far as kinds of creatures, you can make just about any kind of creature using those 3 directions.